Welcome back. So turbo start the wire tuck. As you see, we got wires going through. Basically they're the ones that were right here. They're going through the firewall. We extended a couple to go through the frame rail to run around for the headlights and the other side of the car. The headlight relay we're putting up in the wiper cowl. As you see there, we'll run the wires. We got to extend them and then put the wiper cowl back in spot. What I'm going to do is, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs up top that I'm going to leave there, and the rest I'm going to shave off. So I'm going to shave them. It's almost be worth it if I don't have to use any of them. I think these. They're holding the fuse panel. They're holding the wires across.
Yeah, it's pretty much just holes it up there, yeah, because that's the grill.
That's what?
These ones are for the grill.
Yeah, but these ones here, where the clips are.
Yeah.
That's the harness underneath.
Yeah.
That's the way they run from factory. I don't think 4 is really going to matter. So like I was saying, those are for the factory. Leave those. All the rest of them are going to fill. So that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. We'll go around, and then we're going to do the same thing in the engine bay. I'm going to start welding these up when he's doing the wire tuck, and then we are going to pull the motor today. That way I can do the firewall tomorrow. I like to get it primed tomorrow too, so that's a lot of work. So enjoy the video of us working. gonna start welding up the engine bay on the Honda Civic truck. We started the wire tuck, which I'll show you here in a couple minutes. But as you see, we started to shave as well on the last episode. Now the motor's been pulled and we got everything marked off in white, which we're gonna get rid of. And we're gonna get rid of the seam seal there and weld it up solid. So it's gonna be a lot of work. I got a motor here I gotta step over as well. Then as you see here, you'll see the only wires we're gonna have come running out is the one for the motor. And that's for the brake booster. We're gonna make that a little nicer. But then we have it all running inside the compartment, coming out the factory hole here, coming up, going through the frame rail, and there all the way around. Pretty simple to do. So you guys are gonna watch me shave the engine bay, so stay tuned.